Today I'm going to show you how to create and use templates in Asana. If finding a template and using it, customizing it, and becoming more productive is not as easy as it can be, now we are going to create our own templates. So go ahead, top left, say create, click on project, and here we are going to create a project. So there's a few different ways you can create a project. You can create it with AI, and this would probably be the best way to do this because you can describe exactly what it is that you want. You can also add in that you would like it to be a template. All right. You can also just create a straight blank project over here, or you can use an existing template. Let's say you want to even use an existing template and customize it and make it your own template. That's possible too. But what we're going to do is we're going to use a blank project. We're going to use the name template project. And from here, you can then just click on continue. Now, again, you can also set it up with the Asana AI, but right now we're going to leave it as is. What it is that we want is we do not want an overview. The list view is required, so that's fine. We do not want a dashboard. We want a Gantt view and we want a calendar view. Let's go ahead and click on create project. Now, this will take just a few seconds and you'll be able to now see your project over here. Okay. This is what it looks like. You can add different sections. You can build it up, do what you want here. This is the important part. Spend the time creating something that you can use in the future. It doesn't mean adding data. It just means you need to add a structure. So add a new section over here. Let's say, for example, we have to-dos, and then we can add another section over here. We can do whatever we want here. Basically, what we want to do is we want to build a structure that we can continue to use over and over. Now, quite simply, all we need to do is right at the top, you'll see the name of your project. Use the drop-down menu. Bam, save as template. Now you have a project template. So this is the title of your template. So you can say template project. You can say what type of template it is. Go ahead, do that, and create template. Now you have a template of your own. Go ahead, top right, say done, and now you can either edit or you can use your template. Okay, create a project. Now you've got a new project with your existing template. Again, if you go ahead, click on create, go to project, you'll be able to see your template that you created right over here underneath all of the rest of these workflows. Quick, easy, and so convenient.